Alright, y'all, back with another video. You see what I'm doing here? Cooking up some sliced up chicken breast. So, look what I got here. Yeah, looking delicious, ain't it? Yeah, y'all, check it out. That's what I'm doing today. Making chicken breast tenders. Look at it. Oh, yeah, look at it. Yeah, y'all, that's what I'm doing today. Chicken tenders cut up. Yes. Homemade. Alright, check it out, y'all. Yeah, it's looking delicious, ain't it? I don't know what I got going with it yet, but I think I'm gonna do some fries, quick french fries for the night. You know I love potatoes. Alright, stand by. I'll be right back. Alright, y'all see what I got in here. Air fried french fries. Alright, see what I'm doing. Alright, y'all know who it is. It's Mr. Elwood Video. That's what I'm doing today. See what I got on the grill. Got some Italian chicken tenders. Tell me how it look, y'all. Ooh, look delicious, don't it? Alright, y'all, I'm gonna be back with that end result soon, so stand by. Alright, y'all. See, I'm back with these chicken tender dinner today. Check them out. Yeah, that was a quick meal with this game to come on tonight. See what it is. See what I'm doing. Alright, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit all post notifications. Thanks for watching my videos. Come on, give me a thumbs up on this video. Alright, y'all. I got to go. You know what time it is. I'm getting ready to throw down. Alright, everybody, peace. Be good. I'm out.